Alright everyone, we're here at Classy Chassis Car Wash, and today we're going to do a close-up of their Autec AES machine. So I'm going to do that, so see you guys in just a second to walk through it. Okay, so first, here's the pay station. Then here's the wash options. Here's your signage. Tire applicators and undercarriage. Here's your rear brushes. Old motor up there. This is an older Autec. Here's your emitters. Here's your old soap application nozzles. Looks like it's made of acrylic or something. Here's your rail. Here's the other rear brush. A hole in here. Here's your front brush. Here's a treadle. Oh, there's a bee in here. I don't think you're gonna find any flowers. Okay, here's your front left brush. Here's your other stuff in here. You got your computer panel and soaps, all protected. Also, here is your signage right here. All right, and yeah, let's go through it. About to head in. Now let's walk through the Futura. You got your dryers right there. Timer. Here it is. Last time I walked through it, the gantry moved, so I'm not gonna actually stand under the gantry. So sorry about that, but there's a treadle and then the underbody out there. Yeah. All right, how would you rate it?
It was good. I really liked it. I felt like the brushes did a good job, the car looks really clean, and the blow dryers being outside is a nice, cool extra touch. So, I don't know, like 8, 9 out of 10?
I would say 10 out of 10 because the brushes were very generous. I mean, the car is completely dry. Well, mostly, except for this part down here. But we can rule out this because pretty much no car wash can get that. No. But other than that, this is an amazing car wash.
Yes. Yay, Classy Chassis. Good job.
Yes.
I really liked how they had, like, they have limited space in there, but they had a curtain to protect whatever equipment they had to put into the car wash bay. And I thought it was good.
Yeah. So that's Classy Chassis. 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.